Hey guys, so a quick unboxing video here today. Just got a new watch in. Now this actually is not my watch, this is actually my wife's watch. She was gracious enough to allow me to do this unboxing before she got her hands on it, but because this is her watch, I'm not going to be doing the customary wrist shot with the watch. I will do a full review on this watch eventually, and we will save the wrist shot for then. But for now, let's take a look at what we got. Now, I was actually super excited when my wife chose this one because this is one that I also had my eye on as well. So the fact that she wanted to get this one was very cool. Let's take a look at what we got here. Comes in this nice hard case. Get rid of the box. If you can see here, I should probably turn it this way. Dan Henry. So let's see what we have decided on here today. Nice canvas watch roll that it comes in, and if we open it up, we'll get rid of the silicone gel first because we don't need that, of course. But yeah, we'll open up the nice watch roll. Here we go. We see the Dan Henry warranty card. We see a signed NATO strap, and here it is, the Dan Henry 1939 vintage military style chronograph. Very, very cool. Like I said, this is one that I too really wanted to get my hands on as well. So like I said, my wife saw it, she really liked it, and she's like, oh, I kind of want that. And I'm like, well, we're not going to say no to that. So let's go ahead and take the plastic off so we can see it here in all its glory. Take a look at that watch. Very, very nice. Of course, the light is going to glare off of the surface because that's just how that's going to go. Let me go ahead and pull the crown guard out. This is a quartz watch, as you would expect for the price, because this is actually a really good value in terms of price. I think this is $220, if I'm not mistaken. Hard to beat that. It really is hard to beat that. Flip it over here. Take a look. We have a units converter on the back. Very nifty. And just go ahead and push in that onion crown, and she is off and running. And let's just make sure that the chronograph also works as well. You got to really push that thing in there, and then that is off and going as well. It's a very cool looking watch. Neat vintage design. You of course have the sign. If this thing would focus. Sign crown on the side there, the Dan Henry logo. The chronograph is ticking away. Let's go ahead and stop that, and if we hit reset, then we see the sweep around that is indicative of a quartz chronograph watch. So overall, very cool. Sorry about the glare from the lights. I'm still trying to figure out a really optimal lighting situation for when we do these overhead videos. But yeah, there it is, the Dan Henry 1939. We opted for the black version because that's what's in stock right now. White one, not so much. And yeah, so like I said, this is the total package you get with it. The watch roll, the extra NATO strap. So very cool. Looking forward to getting some wrist time with this watch. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and set it and give it to my wife so that she can start enjoying her new watch. So again, look for a full review on this in the coming weeks. And until then, see you guys next time.